Callum's turn this year to have punctures. So he's had his first one today, he's got his second one booked in tomorrow, and then he's planning another one on Friday about lunchtime. Something like that.
Meet Dr. Bike.
And I don't think there's a bike shop in Portsmotherley, is there? We've got a split in the tyre, so we're going to glue a piece of old inner tube which Alan brought. Very good of him. Using glue that I brought, and hopefully that's going to hold that tyre together for the next 30 miles.
Trevor, what's your part in all this? Your tyre holder?
Yeah.
So that's the rubber now stuck into place, is it?
Well, we'll leave it a minute or two.
Leave it a minute or two, and what have you used to glue it?
Super glue.
We've got at least one, but probably three Dr. Bikes. There's Dr. Bike, Dr. Bike Junior, and the Scottish Dr. Bike. The inner tube is now going in. And I believe some super glue is actually coming out through the cracks. And finally, the wheel is reinserted. There we have it. One bike back and ready to roll. Panniers going back into position now. Scottish Dr. Bike followed by Dr. Bike Junior, and at the back keeping up the rear. Oh shit, they've gone without me. Hang on a second, lads.